As we developed the AssociationNation business model, we spent a great deal of time talking to realtors, lenders, lawyers, and insurance agents about the information they need to better serve their clients. We confirmed our suspicions. They all share the same frustrations that come with obtaining community association information that is complete, accurate, and can be obtained quickly. We can only hope to assure you they all want a better solution for their needs. Let's start with the two easier ones. Insurance agents need to understand the insurance requirements as found in the association governing documents, association insurance policies that are in place, and information on the units, buildings, and grounds so they can make sure their clients purchase the proper policies and that they come with the appropriate amount of coverage. Without complete and accurate information, their client can be underinsured or overinsured. If they are overinsured, then their client is wasting money on insurance premiums. If they are underinsured, the financial harm to their client could be significant. Lawyers need to review governing documents, resale certificates, and they need to contact the association's insurance agency to obtain certificates of insurance for closings. They tell us that just obtaining the name and proper contact at the association's insurance agency can be a nightmare in terms of wasted time, repeat follow-ups, and closing delays. Next up are lenders. Bank questionnaires must be completed for homeowner loans to be considered, only when a home is a part of a community association. These bank questionnaires require a great deal of static and dynamic information. Banks require that the information, whether static or dynamic, be provided with every loan they review. There is no information repository, even for the static data. Who will attempt to fill these forms out? Buyers, homeowners, loan officers, realtors, board members, or management companies? Is there a fee to obtain this information? How many days or even weeks will it take to determine who can complete it? Is there a charge for this information? How long will it take to obtain it? Realtors may have it the worst. The amount of information they need about the unit and the community for their property listing is substantial. Errors and omissions in this regard could lead to litigation, so realtors take this data collection process very seriously. Some of the information they can readily get from the homeowner. However, homeowners are rarely equipped to provide the community information. And that's where it can get dicey. Who has this information? A board member if the community is self-managed? An association management firm? How do you communicate with the right person? Knock on their door? Call them? Email them? Will there be a charge to obtain the information needed? How long will it take to obtain it? Once they have the information they need, they must manually upload it to their property listing. And guess what? If another realtor, across the hall, in another location, or with another firm, is taking a listing in the same community, they go through the exact same process. That's right, there is no repository of this information. No complete, accurate, and fast information source. Realtors must struggle through this process with each and every listing. The problems we are discussing are unique to community association transactions, thus making them more difficult for service providers as compared to non-community association transactions. So, guess what type of transaction they would rather handle? You know the answer. AssociationNation knows the answer. Now let's change that. We can only do this together. If your community joins AssociationNation, these professionals will be able to obtain this information in a matter of seconds. And the cost of your association is the time it will take to create your community profile and keep the dynamic data current. Other than that, your association will not incur any costs from AssociationNation. On the contrary, our collaborating members, our data providers, will share in the value of our company. And won't that be a nice change? Collectively benefiting from the value of your own data instead of watching others do that. To learn more, visit us at AssociationNation.org.